Alright, thanks for tuning in to Leading Forecast. And oh my goodness, change in the weather. We stepped outside the van, it was like 21 degrees here, and jeez, I thought I was going to freeze, especially when we've been getting the 50s and 60s still across. We were used to getting that into January, and now we're in February, and it's went from springtime to the heart of cold season, and it's ridiculous. So let's go on over. System coming up down across the south here. That's going to bring some snow in. We have some winter weather advisories down there. And then we have this system up here across the northeast, actually moving out of the northeast. And that's really all we have on the satellite right now. And but we're cold. This is all you see, all this milky stuff on the satellite. That's cold air. You look down here towards Cuba and Mexico and the Baja, and it looks clear. And then you look up here and you're like, man, there's a lot of cloud cover, but it's clear out tonight. Well, no, that's not cloud cover. That's just cold air. Satellite's picking up that cold air. All right, going on over winter weather advisories out here, winter storm watches and warnings out across the Virginias, western PA, eastern Ohio, and then freeze warnings. Very cold air moving in down across the south. And tell you what, it's chilly. In fact, let's go on over. If you're in, out towards Omaha, -4 right now. These aren't wind chills; these are current temperatures. It's 18 here in Indiana. And it's really cold. You have to go all the way into the southwest to find anything above 60 degrees. Not even at 60 degrees at this current hour in southern Texas, and almost in Mexico. Very, very cold air surging south. All right, let's go on over. This is tomorrow, high pressure system. You can say thanks, high pressure system, for that cold air. Here's your cold air tomorrow. Still very cold across the northern portions of the United States. Here's that system coming through here, producing some rain. As we get into Monday, here's this cold air coming in here. Here's your system coming through. Showers, maybe a couple rumbles of thunder down across the south, and then snow breaking out across the Midwest, and that's going to come through this area. And then as we get into Tuesday, here's that system running off, and like I said, you get that snow swap that comes through here. And there's your cold air line coming through. And then here's another low starting to develop out into the plains as we get into Tuesday. We skip ahead to Wednesday, and here's your low up in the cold air. This doesn't seem right, but anyways, showers going on down across Texas and Louisiana. Some snow showers up across the central plains up towards Iowa. Then as we jump ahead to Thursday, you can see this system exits out, comes up to the east coast here. Your cold air comes in, getting snow from PA up towards New York, Vermont, Maine, even Massachusetts, places like that, get in on some snow. Last week we were looking at this storm that was forecast to come up here and then run up this area and just produce a huge swath of snow out here. And now we're looking at this little piddly storm. And going on ahead, this is as we get into Friday. Here's your low sitting out here. For all of us going in the chaser column, look at this. This is cold air sitting here. We may be sitting in the 50s and 60s. I don't know about 60s. Probably the 50s out across the Denver area here as we get into Friday, maybe even Saturday in ChaserCon. So, it was warm out there last year when we went. I think it was in the mid to upper 50s when we were in Denver last year for ChaserCon. And then by the time we left on Sunday, Arctic front went through, and it wasn't really super cold. It was in like the 30s, but with that wind coming off the mountains, and it felt like it was 5 below. Maybe not quite that cold, but anyways, so yeah, there's a quick look at your upcoming weather, and like I said, no big storms. The pattern does get active, but that's been shown on the forecast models forever. So anyways, have a great weekend. Till next time, I'm Joseph Cooper. Thanks for watching.